Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Jihad. In today's lesson, we will learn 5 ways to say goodbye. যখন আমরা কারো কাছ থেকে বিদায় নিব তখন এই শব্দগুলো আমরা ইউজ করব একটু হাসি দিয়ে। Let's get started. Number 1, bye. Number 2, bye bye. Number 3, see you later. Number 4, take care. Number 5, have a good one. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Bye. Bye bye. See you later. Take care. Have a good one. Very good. Practice these expressions every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.